Thank you, Santosh. Attention. Cover up. Check the line. How is it? Inside. Hands up. Inside. Hands down. Standardize. So, class 4 to 7. Keep in mind, your tomorrow's exam will be held on second period. Okay? Tomorrow's exam, I'm not talking about today. Today, same routine, 4th period and 7th period. Tomorrow, you have got only one exam. So, second period, your evaluation test. And from 4th period, your rehearsal for dance, music, whatever is there. And this time we are going to organize next program, that is STEAM Carnival. Remember, what is that? STEAM Carnival, there will be presentation from different subjects. Actually now everything is integrated. So there will be the presentation from science, Samajik, computer, English, Nepali, maths and arts. So STEAM. So we will give you more information very soon, and you have to prepare and then present your creativity in front of your guardians. Earlier we used to say exhibition, but now it is just modified, very interactive, integrated, and it has become STEAM, STEAM, STEAM Carnival. And grade 8, 9, 10, your rehearsal will begin from Tuesday. So Tuesday's exam will be held in first half. And second half, there will be your practice. Now there are various days for practice, because we are going to make our Paris Day grand, which we are going to conduct on 2nd of Chaitra. So before that there should be your full phase rehearsal and practice, and we have to make more tests. And I check these boxes, the boxes are still not completely filled. So you can bring and donate. Donation is very, very important. So you will be happy by donating, and other people become happy by receiving it. In science we have learnt about bond. So electrovalent bond is formed by donating and receiving, right? One donates and next receives. Here also it can be done same. So tomorrow is the last day to bring and submit here. Afterwards it will go for distribution. Please practice and the best in your evaluation test and pre-board. Attention. Cover up. Amrit Kamal Bhyakin. And side. Hands up. Clap. Hands side. Hands down. Standardize. Attention. The march time. individual, okay? It's separate.
Everyone, good morning to you. Honorable Board Chairman, Principal, Vice Principal, respected teachers, and my dear friends. It's my honor and privilege to stand in front of you to say my few words on topic of atmosphere. Now, without wasting your spacious time, I would like to start my topic, atmosphere. First of all, Earth is a planet which stays in solar system. There are 8 planets in solar system. All have their own atmosphere at all. Earth has also the atmosphere. Atmosphere is the main thing which gives which is the name because of Earth. In the Earth, life exists. Atmosphere have 5 layers. They are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. Troposphere is the most lowest atmosphere in which clouds and aeroplanes runs or fly. Next is stratosphere. Stratosphere is the where or hot balloons or it occurs. Mesosphere is the place where meteors, aurora exist. And thermosphere and exosphere is the place where satellites and rockets fly. We should thank the atmosphere because it gives us life. Now, atmosphere is made of air, gas, different gases, and dust particles. Some name of some gases are oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, etc. About satellites, satellites are 2 types: artificial and natural. Artificial satellites are made by humans which gather information of outer space. A rocket is a flyable mount which goes to space for gathering information, which also takes humans. Atmosphere is one of the most important thing. The atmosphere is also called, we can also call it air. The air is polluting day by day in all cities like Nepal, Kathmandu, India's Delhi, Bangladesh, Dhaka. Which all the peoples can make it clear, make it the air clear by making the school can make rallies of do not pollute, make plant green plants, and make posters of it all. Nepal have many cleaning authorities or organization which is working day by day, and we should help the organization for their. At last, I would like to say, atmosphere is one of the most important thing in our life, and we should not lose it, because if we lose it, no sound, we can live in, the life wouldn't be exist, and no sound will be entered, because the sound enters by sound waves, which the sound waves in the air vibrates, which sound is a so. Please don't make our environment dirty, and keep it safe. Thank you, everyone.